This popcorn challenge.
With the tights underneath, I got the breath of a last cigarette on my teeth. And she's an actress, but she ain't got no need. She's got money from her parents in a trust fund back east. Tongues always pressed to your cheeks, while my tongue is on the inside of some other girl's teeth. You tell your boyfriend, if he says he's got beef, that I'm a vegetarian and I ain't fucking scared of him.
She wants to touch me, woo. She wants to love me, woo. She'll never leave me, woo.
Don't trust her, never trust her. Won't trust her, won't trust me.
She wants to touch me, woo. She wants to love me, woo. She'll never leave me, woo.
Don't trust her, never trust her. Won't trust her, won't trust me. X's on the back of your hands, wash them in the bathroom to drink like the bands. And the set list you stole off the stage had red and purple lipstick all over the page. Bruises.
Hey, that's fun. Dude, this is some pretty good popcorn. Yeah. Hey, can I get a piece? Yeah. Here you go, honey. Thank you. How's it taste? Oh, it's pretty good. It's delicious. It's really salty. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Do you see this guy? Do you see this guy? Who's that? Come on, look at this guy. Look at him. Look at this guy. What does this sign say? We'll do anything for popcorn. What? I'm not sure. Oh, anything? Yes. Anything. Oh, yes. Alright, see you next.
Shush, girl. Shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips. I said, shush, girl. Shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips. I said, shush, girl. Shut your